Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 10th question in exercise 6.3. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that. They have given three subdivisions. First, let's draw the necessary diagrams. Then we will take one subdivision at a time for proof. So I have to draw two triangles in this case. So let's draw the first one. This is going to be triangle ABC. They told us angle C is bisected and this is marked as here. Then there is another triangle that we need to draw. In this case, it is going to be EFG. G, E, F. And what is given to us is angle bisector of this angle G is going to drop out here, marked here. So I'm going to mark this angle is equal to this that's given to us. So this angle has actually been given to us. So now let's write or list the given so we can be able to go on with the proof. So what was given to us is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So that is given to us. The next thing, angle ACD will be equal to angle DCB will be equal to half of angle ACB. I'm marking about these two properties. I'm writing it technically. Similarly, let's do for this angle. So angle EGH is equal to angle HGF is going to be equal to half of angle EGF. Okay, the total angle. So we have written what is given to us mathematically. Let's start with the proof. As I told before, the proof has so many subdivisions. So I'm taking the first one. So to prove what is given, you need to do the CD by GH is going to be equal to AC by FG. This is the first proof that we need to do. So let's start writing the proof for this. Start with the first one. What is given to us is actually triangle ABC is actually similar to FEG. This statement is already given to us. So this means that angle A is equal to angle F and angle C is equal to angle G. I'm looking at the overall angles here. So if angle C is equal to angle G, it actually implies half of angle C should be equal to half of angle G. And so we will start now writing what is going to be needed for us. So in triangle ACD and triangle FGH, let's look at this. I'm referring to this triangle and this triangle. I'm going to prove the similarity for it. So what do we know? Angle A is equal to angle F because that is already given to you out of similarity conditions. Okay. Then angle ACD is equal to angle HGF. So we know both of this. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. But the idea for us is to show this proportionality. So let's write proportionality for because of this triangle's similarity. So what do we know? This is going to be AC by FG is equal to CD by GH is equal to AD divided by FH. So now we are going to take this AC by FG. We need only this part. The AC by FG is equal to CD by GH. So we can rewrite this and say AC by FG is equal to CD by GH, hence proved. So the first subsection of this question is done. Now let's take the second subdivision to prove. Triangle CDB is similar to triangle HGE. So we are looking at this particular triangle and this particular triangle. We are supposed to show the similarity. So let's start with what is given to us. So in order to start with, I know what triangles have been given as congruent. Similar, I will take that. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So this implies angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C will be equal to angle G. So this can imply half of angle C will be equal to half of angle G. Now let's take the actual triangles for which we need to do the proof. So in triangle CDB and the triangle HGE, what we actually know is that angle B is equal to angle E and angle BCD will be equal to angle EGH. This is what we are referring to. So these two angles are equal because this is what we have written already. Therefore, triangle CDB is similar to triangle HGE using AA similarity. Hence, this part of your proof is also done. Now let's take the last subdivision in the given question. Triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. So we are supposed to prove that this triangle is similar to this triangle. So let's start with this proof. Here also we are going to start taking what is given as the triangle for congruency. So this is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So angle A is equal to angle F. Angle C is going to be equal to angle G, which means half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. Now that we have everything in place, so this half of angle C and half of angle G, you can also write three angle notation. So angle ACD is equal to FGH. So let's take the two triangles. So in triangle ACD and triangle FGH, what we actually know is that angle A is equal to angle F and angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. Therefore, triangles ACD is similar to triangle FGH using AA similarity. So you also need to very well list what kind of similarity it is and hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 11th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.